Hey guys, so this week's theme on YouTube Sisters is Tour Week. So I thought that I would do a laptop tour because it's a bit different and I've not done it before and I didn't know what else to do. So I'm just going to give you a tour of my laptop and the stuff I have on it. So anyway, if we start with my desktop, I don't actually have that much stuff, to be fair. I just have a few games and a few other things. If there's any games on here that you want me to do a video on, let me know. I might do one on Facade because it's kind of funny. But yeah, my desktop background changes every day. If you've seen my video called A Spring Walk, it's basically just all the best of those pictures and they alternate every once in a while. So that's what that is. I'm currently editing a video. Oh, lovely, lovely face there, Shona. Let's put it to a better face. There we go. Oh, yeah, that's better. So yeah, I'm just editing. Oh, nice picture of Gollum there. Which is taking me a while. This actually has to go up tonight, so hopefully that's, okay. I also go on, I just leave Cookie Clicker in the background, even though I've got 100 of everything. I could carry on, but I don't want to because I don't like uneven numbers, so I've just got that number of cookies. I don't really know how you say that. 2.858 quintillion cookies. I have a few folders at the top here, which I just have stuff on. Wish list is just a couple of things that I see online that I might want to buy eventually. Social media, the obvious thing. Blogs, I just have a bunch of blogs on here that some I read, some I don't. Random, I'll go through this folder, it's a bit more oh, thanks. Alright, here we go. So I just have Little Mixer's website on here. Let's mix things up. Just in case I want to go on it, check some stuff, it's just good to have it on there. Where am I? Okay. Sims 3, I don't really know why I have the Sims 3 website. I'm going to delete that because I don't use it anymore because I use the Sims 4. I have Cookie Clicker, Wattpad, which I don't use that much. Sound effects, which I use to get sound effects for my videos sometimes. Guitar Box, which I don't use anymore. Netflix, and then I have the 1975's website as well. Oh, my internet is so bad lately. It is. It's just pictures all down there, and then these up top. And then I have the Sims 4 kind of website, which I like. I like all these little videos and stuff. Kind of fun to watch. And then I just have the Neighbourhoods website on there. By the way, guys, this video, if you've not seen it yet, go watch it, it's so good. It's the video for Let It Go, not the Frozen song, this came out before. It's the video for their song called Let It Go. I'll show you a little bit.
A little bit more. Remember what the people said. Remember what the
So as you can see, it's kind of creepy, but you should go watch the whole thing, it's really, really good. I like that a lot. So yeah. That is actually everything around the folder. In my music folder, I just have songs or covers that I find online that I like, but I've not actually got that many on at the minute, because I forget to delete some, and I forget to add some on. I've really been liking this at the minute though.
Well, I think we better go. Seriously better go. Say nothing, say you know. Seriously better go. No, well, I think we better go.
So that's that. Oh, YouTube, I should show you YouTube, I need to watch that, In case you're wondering, this is what I see when I come on here. I'm not logged into YouTube Sisters right now, but there you go. Okay, this is my Spotify. This is my playlist, my whole music playlist with all of my songs on there. I don't have that many songs, 65, because I delete all the ones I get fed up of straight away, because I know that I'll just annoy myself if I don't, because I have to keep skipping them. Let me tell you my favourite at the minute. One of these ones at the bottom. These two, Let It Go by James Bay, another song called Let It Go, I know. Hit and Run by Lolo, which I'm not gonna lie, I heard from the Sims video. And these, Leaving Tonight by The Neighbourhood. I don't know, I like my playlist a lot. I also have all of my thumbnails in here. As you can see, I get really lazy when I'm naming them. But they're all my thumbnails. There's obviously more as well. That are either been deleted or just not on there, I don't know. What's in here? I just have some funny pictures on here. Yeah, I made that. I found that on Tumblr. That's a picture of Perry Edwards. That's a picture of Tyler as Perry Edwards that I made. I don't know why I make these edits, guys, I really don't. So that's everything I'm going to show you. Sorry it wasn't the most interesting video in the world. But I didn't really have any other ideas, and I don't know, it's a little bit of fun to show you. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube Sisters, and I will see you next week. Bye! Hey guys, so this week's theme on YouTube Sisters is Charity Week, so I'm going to be talking about, what you'd expect,